Hello and welcome. Today we'll be seeing how to download and install MATLAB and Simulink from MathWorks for both Windows and Mac. First, we'll go to our browser and type MATLAB MathWorks and press enter. And we will go to MATLAB from MathWorks. And from here, we will select the United States and we will click on this upper right side get MATLAB, and this will prompt us to create an account. We will create an account. From here we will type our email address. I will give my email address from here. This is my email address, the corrected version one. Next, it says if your organization or university has a MATLAB license, you can use that email address from that organization to get the license one. Otherwise, you can just use your working email and click continue, and it is verifying success. We will create a password here. You have to create a strong password. I'll be using my own. I have to confirm it also. Remember the password or take a note of it and click next. And it has prompted us to enter the code that it has sent to our email address. We will go to our email to see the code, and we have got an email from MathWorks and the code is right here. We will copy it from here and paste it here and click on accept and next. Now it is prompting us to create an account, and we have to input our names. I will give my first name, last name, my country is Bangladesh, which best describes you. I will give student, and my department is biological science, and my role graduate level student. Are you at least 13 years old or older? Yes, I am. Next. And I have to type my university as well. I will type my university and next. So it has created our MATLAB MathWorks profile, and now we can download the MATLAB. At this upper right side you will see the 30-day MATLAB trial, which is for free for any version, Windows or Mac. We will click on it, get MATLAB, and we have to give our city. I'm giving my city and zip code. Is this request on behalf of a faculty member or research supervisor? No, I am independent in here. Year of graduation, I have graduated in 2025. Submit, and we are done here. It says error. No need to panic. We will go to this dot from the upper right side and we will select the MATLAB, and from here we can see that we can install MATLAB from here. We can also use the MATLAB from online for both operating systems, Windows and Mac, but for now we will be downloading the MATLAB, and we can see the download for Windows. We can also see the download for Mac OS and download for Linux. Since I'm using Windows, I will be downloading the Windows version of the MATLAB. I will select download, and it started to download my MATLAB setup. If we see it here, we can see that the MATLAB Windows setup is downloading, and we will wait until it gets downloaded. So our MATLAB setup is successfully downloaded, and we will go to the folder where the setup is located, and we can see the Windows setup for the MATLAB, and we will double click on it to install it, and we can see that it was a zip file and it is unzipping the files necessary for installing the MATLAB. And it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, I do. It is installing. Says we need to give our email address here. We will type our email address. Next. And we have to give our password. This is the same password which we have given while we created our MathWorks profile. Now click sign in. And do you accept the terms of the license agreement? Yes, I do. Next. 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 And from this window we can select which products we want to download alongside with the MATLAB. We also want to get the Simulink product, so we have to check it from here. If you want other tools that you need while using the MATLAB, you can select it from here or scroll down to see which products are available with the MATLAB. I just only need the Simulink. I will check that and click on next. Add shortcut to desktop. Yes, I want that shortcut also. Next. Begin install, and it will start installing your MATLAB. And this is a heavy file. You can see you have to download like a 3.51 GB and required to install 9 GB. So it will take some time. We will wait until it gets successfully installed. So we can see that our MATLAB has successfully installed in our PC, and we will close the window. Close. And we will now search for the MATLAB from our search bar to run it. MATLAB, and we will double click on it to run the MATLAB. It is opening, and we can see the interface of the MATLAB. So this is how we can download and install MATLAB along with the Simulink product. So thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe to my channel and give a like to it, and see you in the next MATLAB video. Thank you.